So there's a dark side to getting super lean that nobody talks about. And I'm not talking about like healthy lean, beach body lean. I'm talking about truly shredded, like sub 10% body fat, shredded. Now we all know that's not healthy from a physical aspect. It's not healthy for your hormones, not good for your energy levels, performance in the gym, not good for your mood. Being that lean really isn't good for anything other than, you know, a photo shoot or a bodybuilding show. But the side that nobody talks about is the mental side. Getting that lean can be really mentally dangerous if you don't know what to expect. I'm making it sound really scary, but I just want to say that I fully support trying to get this lean if you're aware of these issues. So what getting that lean does is it screws up your perception of what is normal and acceptable for you. Once you're that lean, anything that's like a little bit heavier or not as lean as that is now unacceptable. And this is an issue because getting super shredded like that is not sustainable, and your body's going to be fighting you, thinking you're starving and trying to make you eat more food, but your mind is saying, wow, I love the way I look and I don't want to put on any weight. I want to be like this forever. If you attach your identity to looking like that and make that the only thing that's acceptable, that's just a big recipe for disorder. This is a huge issue that I see among first-time bodybuilder competitors. I've got a lot of friends that when they competed in their first show, they dealt with issues like this. So they got super shredded, they looked great on stage, then what afterwards, right? They don't want to put on any weight and they want to stay that shredded forever, but they quickly find out that you can't, and now they're scared to eat food. I personally went through this as well. So my first time getting super shredded like that, nobody told me what to expect afterwards. I quickly made that my identity, and now that was the only thing that was acceptable for me. This played a major role in the disorders of my past that I talked about in the last video. I think it's really fun to push your body to the limit and see how crazy you can get yourself to look. But you just have to be aware that it's temporary. That's the best way to avoid this issue, is you have to go into it knowing that, okay, I'm going to look crazy. I'm gonna love how I look, probably, unless your body dysmorphia is like super bad, but you can't get attached to it. You have to understand that that is not healthy and that's not sustainable. If you can understand that, you can get to that level, enjoy it while it lasts, and then come right back to that healthy, like, you know, 12 to 15% body fat as a male. And I did this too. About a month or two ago, I got like super shredded, but this time I was expecting it and I knew that it was just temporary. So now I'm not so shredded anymore. I'm bumping the calories back up, as we've been talking about in previous videos, and I'm completely fine mentally because I was aware that that was temporary and I was just enjoying it while it lasted. As a coach, whenever I have clients that are trying to take it to that next level and get truly shredded, I always have a talk with them and make sure that they are aware that it's gonna be temporary. So there's different levels to like fat loss and getting leaner. Say, for example, you're starting overweight. The first step is just to get the weight off and get to that healthy beach body lean. Like, you know, maybe like 15% body fat for males, like normal people lean. You can sustain that. Then there's a stage after that, and that's like getting truly shredded. Whenever I have a client that's at that healthy lean, I always talk to them. I say, look at yourself in the mirror. Are you happy with how you look? Usually they say yes, because they've already lost a bunch of weight to get there. I say, good. Accept that that is what's healthy and that's what's like normal. We can make it to the next level, but just know that what's coming in the future is not going to be a permanent thing. It's just going to be temporary. Enjoy it while it lasts, but know that like it's not healthy. You can get back to that level of shredded from time to time, but you just can't hang out there for too long just because it's not good for your body. It's like, if you've ever been this lean, you know how it is. Like, you can try to hold on as long as you can, but eventually you just can't do it. And if you can't mentally accept that you can't stay there, that's where like the problems come in, because you got a lot of conflict inside of you. You don't want to get fatter, but you have to. And I say fatter, but you know what I mean. Anyways, I just wanted to shed some light on this issue because I don't really see anybody talking about it, and I feel like it needs to be talked about a lot more, because a lot of these first-time competitors or people that just get super shredded for fun, like me, they don't expect it, and then afterwards they just come out with a whole bunch of problems that they don't know how to fix. If you're interested in taking it to the next level and getting super shredded, I can get you there. Go ahead and click the first link in the description to get in contact with me and we can work together. Also, if you're just interested in losing weight in general and being healthier and looking better, getting to that beach body lean that I've been mentioning, I can help you get there too. So same link in the description. If you have any questions for me about my videos, or if you have any video suggestions for me, or if you just want to talk to me and be my friend, go ahead and join the Discord. That's going to be probably the second link in the description. I don't know. But that's all for this one. As always, peace. Love you.